Welcome back to your weekly Carowinds Park update with Peak Adventures. I'm Jordan, and let's get started. While there aren't a ton of changes this week, there's still a few new things to mention. First up, if you're a Prestige Pass holder, you'll notice a new gate installation at the Harmony Hall patio, which is now your exclusive Prestige patio upon the opening of the Cedar Creek VIP Lounge. Previously, a temporary barricade blocked off the area, but the new gate adds a nice, more permanent touch. Over in Camp Snoopy, land prep continues for the 2 new rides and other additions coming in 2025. Right now, much of the area remains as dirt, setting the foundation for new construction to begin. Winterfest preparations continue, and a new sign promoting the event has been added at the Victory Lane gift shop. It's a small touch, but a good reminder that Winterfest is approaching soon. Speaking of Winterfest, another exciting update is that the Snowflake Lake ice skating rink is looking more and more like an ice skating rink by the day. In the last update, we mentioned that the land was cleared and ready, but now the rink is being assembled, getting the park one step closer to being prepared for the winter activities. If you're a fan of Oktoberfest, don't miss out on the exclusive Oktoberfest graphic t-shirts available in the park. These shirts come with a limited edition Oktoberfest pin, but they're only available while supplies last until the event ends on November 2nd. So grab yours before they're gone. That's about it for this week's update. Not a lot of big changes, but keep an eye out as we see additional changes and additions for Winterfest and Camp Snoopy. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the latest Carowinds news and updates. Until next time, keep exploring with Peak Adventures.